Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to D Drive. Today we have a Mercedes C-Class C200. So if we start off with this Mercedes C-Class, it's a white color. So we are in between the Mercedes C-Class and the driver cockpit. So starting off with the steering wheel of the Mercedes C-Class, it's pretty convenient, leather wrap steering wheel with the stitches, which gives a better driving pleasure while driving. And you can see the dotted texture, which gives a better grip. That's the honk button over here placed, and in between there is the Mercedes logo. As always, the gear shifters are on the right side and left side is used for the indicators. You can also see the cruise button over here. So let's start off পাওয়ার বাটনটা অনেক বেশি ইনভিজিবল, মানে একদম এই পোর্শনে সেট করা, মানে ভিজিবিলিটি একদম লো। আপনাকে জানা থাকতে হবে গাড়ির পাওয়ার বাটন কোথায়। This is a 2000cc turbo engine which gives a kick একদম স্টার্ট দেওয়ার সাথে সাথে। So that's all about the cluster. আমরা যদি দেখি, there is the speedometer and the RPM gauge. Those are not in LED display, but in between মাঝখানে একটা LED display বসানো, যেখানে you can see time and all other functionalities of the vehicle. You can see the paddle shifters and also premium sound system over here. You can lock and unlock the car. So আমরা যদি সেন্টার কনসোলে আসি, you can see one thing, that এখানে একটা ক্লক বসানো from Mercedes logo দিয়ে, and there is the navigation system, radio connectivity and all other features. The aircon, the menu. The display is quite small. গাড়ির তুলনায় ডিসপ্লেটা একটু বেশি ছোট হয়ে গেছে আমার কাছে মনে হয়, but it's a 2017 model, so সেই প্রেক্ষাপটে কিন্তু there is things different, you know. And আমরা যদি এখানে গ্লাভ বক্সে আসি, you can see not that deep, but এখানে একটা কানেক্টিভিটি পোর্ট আছে দুইটা, and that's about the glove box. আমরা যদি সিটে আসি, you can see the texture of the seat which hugs you and it's like genuine. You can see the aircon knobs, 3 over here, 1 over there, and let's go. You can just see vanity mirrors with the lights on the both side, and also yeah, we will turn it off and we'll check out the boot space. তার আগে we will also So let's go. We will check out the boot space right first. পিছে there is not that much cargo space to lift in, but yeah, কিছু জিনিস definitely রাখা যায়. এটার নিচেও কিছু জিনিস রাখা যাবে। So on the rear profile you can see that's the LED rear lights, and এখানে একটা spoiler carbon fiber fit করা with the Mercedes logo over here and C200 badging. নিচে there is diffuser and exhaust tips. Those are genuine exhaust tips, fake exhaust tips দেওয়া না. And you can see the parking sensors. Brake light টপে বসানো, and if we come sidewise, কুপে হিসাবে it feels একটু lengthy. Usually এত lengthy হয় না, আর একটু কম্প্যাক্ট সাইজ হয়, but this gives a 4-seater variant. পিছেও কিন্তু দুজন বসতে পারবে, which is not that convenient, but there is the seating position. So এটার জন্য গাড়িটা একটু লম্বাটে মনে হয়। আমরা যদি রিমে আসি, you can see those are probably in R18s, R19, my bad, AMG Mercedes-Benz stock rims. And if you come on the heated seats, memory seats, and also electrically adjustable seats, pretty similar. And if we enter, so it's huge space over here. You get a very convenient stuffs. Glove box with the fabric touch gives a premium vibe. This wooden texture gives a premium vibe. Extra space to keep your belongings over here. আমরা পিছের সিটটা একটু জাস্ট বসার ট্রাই করব. Let's see what happens. কতটুক বসা যায়, let's see. So right, there is a bottle. So that's the second row seat. You can get the speakers over here, and এখানে leather wrap করা, sweat leather here and there. Leg space বলতে কিছু নাই এই গাড়িতে, but headroom বলতে অনেক কিছুই আছে. There is sufficient amount of headroom, and এখানে you can see the heat option. The সিটগুলো একদমই রিক্লাইনেবল না, so it's not comfortable to sit in second rowতে. You can see the bottle holders fixed and the air knobs. কন্ট্রোল করা যাবে এখান থেকে. So yeah, আমরা এই কনভার্টেবলটাকে so yeah, that's the feature we get. You can see the winker mirrors, LED light, a very big windshield, and hood size আমরা নাই আসি because it's absolutely very big. Mercedes-এর লোগো এখানে একটা বসানো, and একটা বড় এমব্লেম এই জায়গায় বসানো Mercedes-এর with the Giro চেনা grill, which is completely empty. কোনোটাই sealed off না, for better air cooling, because this is a proper genuine engine. কোনো hybrid motor নাই গাড়িটাতে. And here you can see the projection lights with the indicators, swapping, high beam আছে inbuilt, and ভিতরে LED high performance খোদাই করে লেখা just over there. নিচে you can see the parking sensors, and এই পোর্শনগুলো is empty air intake এর জন্য. Parking sensors here and there, and this car is genuinely very low. মানে you have to do lot of hard work ঢাকা শহরের রাস্তায় চালাইতে. So we will just put it on and একটা walk around দিব. So we need to depress the brake pedal and so here it also shows the animation. Yeah, here you go, it's fixed. That's the soft touch. And this soft top is genuine. You can see the texture, you can feel it. It's premium, top class material. Colin, let's go for a drive and let's enjoy driving this Mercedes C-Class. Let's go.